this is how uneven my milling table is. This is the same height attempted to be cut in all locations. And here it's eating the FR4. Here it's just kind of skimming it. It's weird because it's coming up here. But these are supposed to be 4 parallel lines. And it's not cutting anything in the back there at the end of this longest line. And then I had a bit of overrun into the bed. Just cutting that out a little bit. That's not a biggie. Anyway, I guess I'll have to do Z-stepping on this. Here's the cleanup pass with another 2.1 mil of depth. Taking a pretty good cut. Getting soured with copper here. Gonna have to go deeper. It missed a little bit at the beginning there. And it's leaving little islands. Well, there's the finished product. So just shine her up a little bit with some steel wool to get rid of the burrs, and she'll be good to make some dielectric measurements. Maybe a little problem on the end here with a little excess metal being left, but I can take care of that manually. It's always hard to get these edges when they're rolled over. So yeah.